Welcome to our channel. Today we how to recover your subscription with Amazon Prime, full guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser and go to the Amazon homepage. Sign in to your Amazon account with your email and password. Once logged in, hover over the Accounts and Lists option located in the upper right corner. From the drop-down menu, click on Your Prime Membership. On the left side of the page, look for the Manage Membership section. Click on Manage Membership. Under the Membership Actions heading, locate the Renew or Reactivate option. If you choose Renew, follow the prompts to complete your subscription process. If you select Reactivate, confirm your decision to reactivate your Prime membership. Review any new payment information if prompted, and updated. Once you've verified the details, proceed to confirm the renewal or reactivation. You will receive a confirmation message showing that your subscription is active. Check your email for a confirmation of reactivation or renewal from Amazon. To ensure you're fully set, navigate back to the Your Prime Membership page. Here, you can review your membership benefits and options. If you encounter any issues, scroll to the bottom of the page and click on Help. Use the search bar to find specific guidance on subscription recovery. If you still need assistance, consider reaching out to Amazon customer service via chat or phone. Your subscription is now successfully recovered, and you can enjoy all Prime benefits. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account in payment. And if the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.